So good morning student. I hope you have already solved till question number 28 and now we are going to solve question number 29. So first thing I want to explain that all the questions are same which you are going to solve. All the questions are same. So in all the question you have to find out the SCF of this exercise. So this is question number 28. One second. So this is question number 29. Three pieces of the timber 42 meter, 49 meter and 63 meter long have to be divided into planks of the same length. What is the greatest possible length? You have to find out the greatest possible length of the each plank. So these are the length of the timbers are given and have to be divided into planks of the same length, and these planks have to divide it in the same length. And now the lengths are different and you have to divide each plank into the same length. So what will be the greatest possible length of each plank? So first, in all the question I have already told you that all the question are same. In all the question you have to find out the SCF. So first you have to find out the SCF of first two number like 42 and 49 by division method. So this is how you will find out the SCF, and we are getting here the SCF is 7. So here the SCF of these two number is 7. And now after finding out the SCF of these starting two number, now we will find out the SCF of this number and 63, which is the last number. So after finding out the SCF of these two numbers, we are getting 7 here. Therefore SCF of all three numbers is 7, hence the greatest possible length of each plank is 7. So this is clear, I hope. So the greatest possible length of each plank is 7. Now in question number 30, the three different container contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liter of the milk respectively. Find the capacity of a container which can measure the milk of all the container in an exact number of time. So you have to find out the container which can measure the milk of all container in an exact number of time. So we have to find out the measure of a big container which can measure the capacity of all the containers. So here three containers are given here. So as I have already told you that first we have to find out the SCF of these two numbers. Here we are getting the answer 31, and now we will find out the SCF of this number and the third number, and here after finding out the SCF we are getting the answer 31. Hence the capacity of liquor container is 31. If we are using a container of 31 liter, so we can find out we can measure the capacity of all these containers. So here this is how you will find out the answer of this. Means in all question you have to find out the SCF. So in 31 number question it is given like three number are given, means there are 527 apples, 646 pears and 748 oranges are given here. These are to be arranged in the heaps containing the same number of fruits. Find the greatest number of the fruit possible in each heap. How many heaps are formed? So here the method is same. First you will find out the SCF of these two number, and here we are getting the SCF 17, and now we have to find out the SCF of 17 and 748. This is the third number and we are getting the answer 17 in each case. So the greatest number of the fruit in each heap will be 17. So this question is also the same. In this question 7 meter is given here, you have to convert centimeter. Here 3 meter and 85 centimeter is given, you have to convert it all the number in 70 centimeter, and after converting all the number into 70 meter and 70 meter, you have to find out the SCF as the matter I have already told you, and after finding out the SCF you can write the answer, you can find out the answer. So in 33 number question, our rectangular courtyard is 18 meter 72 centimeter long and 13 meter 20 centimeter broad. It is to be paved with square tiles of the same size, find the least possible number of such tiles. So because the length is given, because the broadness of the means breadth is given, and you have to find out how many tiles means square tiles we have to use to fill the courtyard. So to solve this question, now maximum age of the square tiles is given by the SCF. So here we have to find out the SCF. So after solving these numbers, we are getting the answer 24. Means 24 is the SCF of these two number, means maximum age of the square tiles is 24 centimeter. And now required number of tiles, now we have to find out the required number of tiles, means how many tiles we need, equals to area of courtyard, means total area of the courtyard and area of each square tile. Now area of each square tile, now we have to multiply these two number and these two number. After multiplying and dividing, we are getting the answer 4290 tiles we need. So after solving this question, 34 question is find the SCF of two prime number. So two prime number are 2 and 3 are two prime number, and we have to find out the SCF of these two number. So first we will find out the factor of these two numbers. So the factor of 2 is 2 into 1 and the factor of 3 is 3 into 1, because 1 is the SCF of both of the number. So we can say the SCF of two prime number is 1. Now we have to find out the SCF of two consecutive numbers. Suppose 4 and 5 are two consecutive numbers we are taking, and after finding out the factor of these two numbers, we are getting 1 in both of the factors, and 1 is the SCF in this case. Now the SCF of two prime number, we are getting 1 here, and the SCF of two even number, here we are getting 2 into 1 is equal to 2, because the factor of 2 is 2 into 1 and the factor of 4 is 2 into 2 into 1. So this is how you will solve the question. If you are having any problem or confusion, then you can ask in doubt group, and you have to solve all the question. After completing all the exercises, I will send you a PDF in which all the question will be solved, and you have to solve these questions in your copy.